All right, I've had this Sea-Doo Spark sitting all winter. I come back, the battery's dead. So I went down to Costco and picked up one of these little jump starter things. So let's see what it does. Hooked up. Now we're not hooked up. Turn it this way, maybe. Come on. Oh, gosh. All right. It's hard to film and do this at the same time. All right, one. Okay. There's the power on button. All right. We're at 93% and it's showing try to start it. Okay. This thing is green. It's showing try to start. I got the key in. Let's give it a go. Nice. All right, I gotta get on this thing and try to get out of here. Yeah, I'm happy. All right, I'm gonna see if she'll restart again without it. No, it won't. All right, I gotta get this camera stopped.